Alexander hurt his elbow. That's really bad. And look, the clown left his stuff right here.
Look at my elbow, guys.
Oh, that's bad.
Concerned. I don't know if you can see. Here. Come here.
Okay.
And come here. Look at that, boys.
Yep.
You see that? Okay. And guess what? And I kept do wrestling because I'm in provincials for baseball. And so
So
we'll
show you the materials of what we're gonna be doing. So here is
you're gonna need a pan,
a pan,
a spoon. I like that spoon. Food coloring, preferably blue.
Blue's the best.
A syringe.
Okay, thanks for the
1/2 cup of sugar. Is it 1/2 cup?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Paintbrushes if needed. And an old fidget spinner.
a broken fidget
Wait,
spinner.
it was mine because I broke it at my party.
Like this. And Play-Doh. So yeah, we'll get right into it. Pause it.
We don't have the Play-Doh yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, you grab it.
It's not by. Oh.
Okay, guys. So first you take your Play-Doh and squish it into a flat. Now you take your old fidget spinner and make a mold out of it.
We used a Galaxy fidget spinner, which is broken.
It's not broken.
Well, it actually isn't, but it was like broken.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
middle
Then
part
you
is
take
spinning.
all these little things.
Oh no, that's hard. Bro.
Get the flat knife.
See, you know where the bearings are? They have a ball in it. What you want to do is take that out of it.
You gotta take it out, and then we'll tell you.
Okay.
Then you take your tinfoil
We're back.
and you put it onto your
What are you doing with the Play-Doh?
pan.
We need it.
Stop, Olivia.
No, you don't.
Olivia,
No, you don't take that.
And it's my Play-Doh.
I'm just going to
go like this onto your pan,
Hi.
and then put your mold onto it. Okay? So that where's your mold gonna be? Because it's gonna be going in the stove later on.
The stove.
So then go. Oh, can we put this on the stove?
Okay. Where's the stove?
Over there.
Put it on there for now.
in the head.
Here.
Yeah. So we're gonna pause it.
Okay,
Guys, first take your sugar into your pot.
1.5.
1.5 cup. Dump it all in. Make sure it's all in there.
You can actually eat it after you're saying.
Then go like this. Look, you see that? Then you're gonna take
Your food coloring.
your food coloring. You're gonna do
2.5.
about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, that was more than
Can I
5.
mix?
No.
No.
Then you add warm water. So we're gonna go add warm water. Ty, go add warm water.
Okay. So bring the camera.
You can take this.
Okay. So now. Oh, it's okay. Okay. So we're adding warm water over here.
It's that one, yeah. It's that side. Make sure it's warm.
Like how warm?
Just a little warm.
Okay, this is good.
Not a lot. Don't add too much. Okay, guys.
Like this.
No, a little more. Here, I'll tell you what's up. Keep going. Keep going. What? A little more. A little more. Okay, that's good. Okay, guys. So then you're gonna go to your oven and get right into it. So we're gonna go do it upstairs. So,
Okay, guys. So make sure your mold is deep. We're doing it again because it wasn't deep.
enough.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna. It's boiling right now. So turn your stove on to about 360 and boil all the water up. And we're gonna be and if I didn't tell you guys that, I don't think I did, but it's lightning slime, okay, guys? I mean, a lightning fidget spinner. It's gonna be hard for some of you guys, but easy for.
We'll be right back. Okay, so once you're done doing the Play-Doh thing, the mold, pour the sugar and the hot water into the mold. Once the sugar and hot water is boiling, like there's bubbles in it.
We're gonna figure out the next step. Okay, guys, this is what it's gonna look like.
Oh, why is there so much?
Yeah, I spilled all of it on the
Okay, so that's what it looks like. let's get right into this. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. So then you wait for it to freeze. You put it in the freezer, and just you wait until it's all freezed up. So we'll show you the fishy process. Okay.
But then you have to do.
Okay, guys. So we're freezing it, and then yeah, we're gonna wait till it's done. Time lapse. Okay, guys. Back. Then you guys take a UV pen or a lightning pen, not when it's freezed, but it's still waiting, and you go and just shine it.
Wait, hold on.
Just shine it on it, and it'll make a little light. It's hard to see with the. It died right now, I think.
Oh.
So yeah, and yeah.
I have one.
Pause it.
Okay, guys. So
You put the UV ray. It wasn't working. Now it is. And it's just gonna burn all the crevices out, and like yeah, make it electricity, lightning. Try to make it like lightning. Okay. So yeah, that's how you do it. You guys don't need the UV pen, but it just makes it more lightning-y. Okay? So yeah.
okay, we're back, and
We're gonna just try to do something. Okay, guys, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna play guitar for you guys. I'm a
why
little.
don't we play Rocket League
I'm a little
while
rusty.
we're waiting?
No.
Okay, fine.
It's not working right now. My guitar. Wait, where did my guitar go?
It's upstairs.
Pause it.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Here.
And we're back. He found it.
It was just right here, guys.
No, I'm using my electric guitar.
Well,
I was looking for my
it's
country
upstairs.
guitar or whatever it's called. Your basic.
The country guitar will.
Let's go. Ready?
Sorry if yeah.
I'm a little rusty, so don't judge me. Okay. Here, pass me a pick. I need my pick. Hey guys, I got my other guitar.
I found it. I found it for him.
But then
No, she didn't.
you guys can't. Okay, you can't be in our shot or be.
I know. I'm
making
gonna go
noise.
beside
Yeah, no making noise. If making noise, we're gonna kick you out.
Notice I changed my braces of the color.
The color.
Guys, I don't need braces.
I do.
There you go.
She just wants to look cool with them, but it does not work.
Oh, I have to go up.
Okay, we'll be right back once he sets
Let's
it up.
go.
Oh, okay. Where's your pick? Too small for that. Look at this. No one.
Guys, I forgot all the chords. Guys, don't listen. Let's go in the room.
Yeah.
She thinks she's good.
Okay.
I don't think I'm good. I'm a little rusty.
Okay, sorry if this is boring. We're gonna pause this video. I can't pause it. Oh, stop. Yeah, that's just weird. Okay, you guys, so things have been going on.
My hand! Oh, God.
Oh! So Olivia got sent upstairs. You explain it, your sister.
She did very dirty. She was touching Tyler, and Tyler doesn't like to be touched. So yeah,
Actually, no.
don't. Pause it. Pause it.
We'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna check the lightning fidget spinner. Fidget spinner. And okay.
Is it ready? Let me check.
No, it's liquid.
Yeah, it's still liquid, boys. Okay, see that? So you're gonna take this,
Eat it.
and you take your UV.
Close on the freezer.
Lightning pen, and you're just gonna turn it on. Watch. Should I take some on your finger? Or here. See, we got some extra. We got a lot more upstairs. Yeah. Hit your UV pen if it doesn't work. You're just gonna put it in there. Make it all lightening up. And then
That
you're
did
just
not
gonna
do
get-
anything.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get ready. So pause that and we'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay guys, so we're gonna do a short version of hide, seek, of the race fit.
Wait, what?
You're gonna go hide. Go ahead.
Never!
Okay, then you can count. Juice. You go hide. Come on.
Wait, but the basement's so small.
Yeah, just do it. We'll play a quick round. Come on.
Okay, fine.
I'm gonna go outside.
No.
Yeah?
No, you said basement.
Yeah, no, I'm going outside. I'm counting. You're hiding. Go ahead.
No! I'm not playing. What's the point of the hiding if we can't hide anywhere where you know all the spots and it's so
Just go
little?
hide. Just go hide.
No, this is gonna be okay. Nope. No one there. Can't find you.
You know what? I'm gonna go check this room again.
Yeah. I have trouble.
Pause it. Hey guys, he's counting. I'm going to hide. Somewhere he doesn't know. I'm just gonna go hide. You know what? I'm gonna hide. He just came by, but he can't find me. He's really stupid because like I'm right in this corner. But yeah, he can't find me, so I'm just gonna wait here for now. Guys, check it out. Hey guys, I don't know where he is, but yeah. Guys. I'm walking around, guys. He doesn't see me yet. He doesn't see me, guys, yet. Guys, he doesn't see me. Guys, look. Guys, he doesn't see me. Guys, look. He's like retarded or something. Guys, he's crazy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make a run for it. Go. Guys, I can't find it. Guys, I'm going behind the TV. Guys, I found it yet. guys are gonna run again. He hasn't seen me yet. I threw it down, guys. I ran away. I'm in the storage room right now. He hasn't seen us. Me. Guys, he hasn't seen me yet. You guys are running away. You guys see my elbow? Here's that. Yeah! He found me, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna go check out the mold. Fine, let's go check out the mold. Guys,
I'll just.
he's gonna be counting, okay? So.
No, you're gonna be counting.
No, he's.
Pause the video for a second.
Okay, guys, he's counting right now. I'm hiding. He's possessed.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sorry, guys. I gotta go. Peace out. What's poppin'? Peace. Oh! Stay back! I don't want any possessed zombies in my house. Welcome them. Okay, guys, that's gonna end the vlog. Yeah. Tyler's possessed. He's dead right now. I killed him. So let me see. So you guys check it out from a better view. He did. Okay, guys. So let me check the mold, and if it's not, we're gonna have to leave it for tomorrow, okay? Or tonight. Okay, guys.
Okay.
We're gonna have to wait for tomorrow. So peace out.